Welcome to Jim's RC and Auto. I'm Jim. This one's about RC. Today we're taking a look at my TRX-4 F-150 with the light kit from Traxxas on it. As you can see, I've also put rock lights on it and the lights on the roll bar. It's all controllable through the app. Here you can see me demonstrating, or trying to demonstrate, the turn signals. You must be going in a forward direction in order to trigger them on or off. The problem is there's no way to turn them off unless you turn the opposite direction. So while you're driving down the trail, they kind of stick on. Later on here, I'm going to try to show you the reverse lights, but due to being at night and the camera, the way it reflects light, you really can't see them come on. One of the cool things about the app is you can actually switch from low beam to high beam on the headlights and on the roll bar. You can adjust the intensity of the rock lights to what you desire for best visibility or the look you're going for. Alright, this has been another Jim's RC and Auto. Thank you for watching.